front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can add emergency contacts. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Safety and Emergency. Then click on Emergency Contacts and select Add Emergency Contact. Finally, click on the one that you wish to set up and do exactly the same to all the other ones you need. As you can see, all of mine were successfully added. To use this feature, remember to make sure that this switcher next to Show Info when locked is blue. If you want to delete one of your contacts, click on Remove icon next to the chosen one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!